Hi everyone, and welcome back to Nick's Diecast. For today's video, I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale Lexus SC430 made by Motormax. I found it off eBay. I think I paid about $40 for it in total, including shipping and everything, and it's a pretty hard to find model, so I'm glad I actually ended up getting it. Here's the weirdly oversized box I got it in. Haven't opened it yet. I just love how it says fragile, and then the thing comes like just completely crushed and mangled. So, let's see what we're in for here. I don't usually film the entire process of actually unpacking the shipping box, but because this is so damaged, I might do that just in case. I just gotta get this knife here. See what I got myself into here. Alright, gotta do the other side. I'm kind of blindly holding this camera at this point because that's weird. Look at all the stuff in here. Look at this thing. Thank you for your purchase. We really appreciate your business and hope we gained your 5-star rating. We are here for you. As a small thank you, enjoy 10% off your next purchase. That's awesome. Shout out to Tandem Trading for this offer. That's really cool. I'll have fun throwing all this stuff out. Look at all the stuff I found. Hope it was well protected in here. Alright, we'll go ahead and open up the model box next. I like when these boxes come very well wrapped and protected, although it does create kind of a pain to open up, as you can see here. Well, there's a little bit of the car you can see on the side there. I'm going to probably start from this side and just tear all the stuff off, and then we'll take a look at the box. Alright, now for the big reveal. Looks really cool. We'll get it out of the box next. Alright, there's a Lexus. Looks really nice. We'll go ahead and take it off the base and take off these straps next. Alright, here's our model off the base. Next we'll take off these straps. And here's our model, the Lexus SC430. Very, very nice. It's got opening doors. Then we also have the opening hood up here. And a really cool feature about this model is the retractable roof in the back here. Here it is with the roof partly the way up, I guess. I gotta figure out how to work the rest of it. Hey, here it is with the top up. Looking forward to doing a review on this. Thanks for watching.